Hey there guys, Trayvon over at Contemporary, and I'm here to show you this beautiful Dodge Charger Scatpack Daytona that we have. It is nominated as the best sport coupe by Motor Week, and it is beautiful. You have your carbon fiber accent, black top package, all-wheel drive, plenty of power. We got the newly updated interior, really nice with the carbon fiber accents, leather, Alcantara suede, newly updated steering wheel, really nice grip and fitment, and your nice sport seats that actually hug you while you're driving. You got your super nice, more than spacious panoramic sunscreen with your suede Alcantara accents up top as well. Beautiful car all the way around. It comes on these really nice gunmetal alloy wheels, and it's equipped with SRT Brembo brakes. And you do have the tailgate assist. You can control through your key fob, remote start, and plenty of space as well. So come on down to Contemporary if this is something you're interested in. Best part, we have really good lease specials on them, and they're leasing for about the price of a brand new Honda Accord. Again, this is the best electric all-wheel drive vehicle by Motor Week. My name's Trey over at Contemporary. More than happy to help you out. 603-451-8189.